Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today I'm working on month 8 of the color Vortex for legit kits. And I'm telling you what, this box of the month has blown me away totally. So let's look down here and I'll show you where I'm at. I've opened up everything and I've went ahead. By now you already know how to do your layouts and your printouts and work your pieces, but I just want to show you a couple areas along the way for all 4 blocks. So that's the way I'm going to move forward from month 8 and up now. So I'll slide this out of the way. Your month 8 would be your C7. That's week 29. So as you can see, all of these pieces came together really nice. I saw a couple of people that were having trouble, like right here. They were forgetting this little number 4, your QO, and they had to go back in, or they would miss both of these. So a little tip for you along the way: look for your colors and your numbers. If it goes up to 5, 6, 7, 8, make sure that you've got 8 different colors when you're finished. So we've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This little one can be missed so easy. So right now, this is what we're working on. We're working on the pattern side. So this is the piece that I just shown you, and it's right here. So I won't be showing you joining all these together because by now you already know how to do that. But what I'll do is do standalone videos that as we get through several months where we're going to be joining the quadrants together. The pieces are good. And by now you know to just flip these 2 together and join, and flip the other 2 and join, and then join that 4 patch together. But what I'll do is meet you back periodically from time to time and show you how to join that 4 patch together into the 8 patch and then up into the 16. So I'll see you back in the next video. Take care and God bless.